Good morning, friends. It is Sunday, January 26th, and we are nearing the end of the first month of 2025. Like, time really is moving pretty quickly, but honestly, that is why we're here today, to do a productive vlog to get ourselves ready to go into the next month of the year. I just changed my sheets. I'm about to go put them in the washing machine, and then I'm going to do a little tidying up for the day, and that's pretty much going to be our Sunday resets. I am going to be doing a lot more in this vlog. It is a productive vlog just so you guys get to see what I do on a daily basis. And let's go, because it is 9:54 and I am on a crunch today because the Commanders play football today. Like, we're about to go play football at 3 o'clock, so I'm on crunch time right now. So let's finish up these chores really quickly, and I will see you guys later. Hey y'all, I'm back. As y'all can see, I'm in my Commanders gear because, like I said earlier, today is Sunday and we play football. But I did just finish putting my clothes in the washing machine. I didn't really have that many clothes to wash. I normally don't wash my white clothes on the same day as I wash my other loads of clothes, just because I never have that many white clothes to wash. So I try to like pile up as much as I can so I'm not overusing the washing machine. But so I only had to wash the white clothes today. I took my shower, I did my skincare routine. I haven't really like did my under eye care in a minute, and that's why I have my topicals eye patches on right now. Y'all, I looked at my eyes yesterday and I had bags under my eyes, and that is when I knew that I needed to start taking care of my under eyes. So I was like, let me do a little treatment, put on my topicals eye patches while I just finished getting ready. Me and my mom are about to actually go run some errands. We're gonna pick up some food for the game later on, and really that's it. For the first time in my life, my room is actually like clean to the point where I just have to put away a few things, not that much. And I say for the first time in my life only because I have like depressive, like seasonal depression almost like every month. So like maybe a week out of each month, I guess I would say I have like some form of seasonal depression. I'm depressed about something and my room reflects it every single time. But since the year has started, I have been doing a lot of different things to just make myself feel better and just be a better person all in all, and it's reflecting in my room. Like, I can really see a difference. Like I said earlier, today is January 26th, and I got back from my trip on January 1st, and I cleaned my room the next day, and y'all, it's been clean ever since. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I hope that I managed to keep this up though, because it's like, this is exciting. I haven't hit depression yet. And surprisingly, a lot of things have happened to me between the first week of January and now, so I'm kind of surprised that I haven't really hit any depressive moments. But we're staying on track. We have goals that we want to achieve this year, so obviously maybe that's what I'm looking forward to, you know, graduation, and maybe that's why I'm just more excited and not really sad or anything. I don't know. But again, like I said, I am going to tidy up a little bit in my room, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to head out to run errands with my mom. So I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so today is Monday, January 27th. It is 11:57 and I do have class at 12. Normally I would have been at Starbucks by now to like, you know, plan out my day or whatever, but I had to do some stuff for my mom. I had to help her out. So I'm gonna do my class here, and then I'm going to head to Starbucks because I am editing a YouTube video today. I also have to plan out the rest of my week. I have a lot of stuff going on this week, so I do need to be in an area where I can focus. And for some reason, I could just never focus at home. Like, when I'm in a comfort zone, like when I'm in my comfort space, I just simply cannot focus like how I need to, because I get too comfortable. I see my bed over there and I'm like, ooh, I want to go get my bed, and I can't do that, and I'm trying to like focus and get stuff done. So like I said, I do have school. I have class at 12. Little update, y'all, the Commanders lost yesterday and I was so mad. That's why I did not pick my camera back up, because I was pissed. Like, I was very, very, very upset yesterday after the game. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna talk to them tomorrow. I already knew I was gonna be in better spirits today. So now that the game is over, I am about to do my class, and like I said, I probably will just see you guys at Starbucks, because that's when I'm really gonna get into the bulk of like my productiveness, since today I think we're just chit-chatting in class. Like, we're not even really doing much. So I will see you guys at Starbucks.
Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Step and spray on my gun, I'm looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do?
Hey y'all, so I got to Starbucks not too long ago. I will be here for the next couple of hours just because I need to plan out my week, which I already did while I was here. But really, the bulk of my time is going to be spent here is me editing my YouTube video, which y'all probably will have seen by now. And y'all, I have not recorded in public in so long. Now, all these people in here is kind of scaring me. It's making me nervous. But nonetheless, we are about to dive into editing my YouTube video. How's your day later? It's going good. Hey guys, today is Tuesday, January 28th. The last time I saw you, I was at Starbucks editing my YouTube video and then planning out the rest of my week. I did manage to finish editing my YouTube video. However, I never get to finish at Starbucks. Like, I always do the hardest part, for me at least, which is like picking out the clips to put in the beginning of the video. That's literally like the hardest part for me. So I always do that in Starbucks because I really need to like focus and hone in on what I'm doing. So I did that, and then I came home and I just finished the rest of the video. So it should be up by now. If you did not go see it, go tune into my Diary of a Girl in College, the finale. And today we are going to start off in the gym. It is 10:52. I did do some assignments earlier this morning, but I'm about to head out and go to the gym. I have a jam-packed day today. We are going to the gym. I have a quiz to take at like 12. It's due from like 12 to 11:59. So anytime between there, but I'm probably gonna take it when I come back from the gym. And then I also need to film my Get Dressed With Me and Yap. That is a series that I have going on Instagram Reels and TikTok. So if you haven't seen it before, tune in. So I'm filming that today. I'm also supposed to be going on a friend date with my best friend today. So it's restaurant week in DC this week, and there's this one restaurant that we've been wanting to try, so we are supposed to be going there later on tonight. And then also my other friend Jordan, her birthday is tomorrow. She's turning 21. Oh my gosh, I feel I feel a little old because like some of my friends are younger than me. But it's funny because I guess it's like payback, because my best friends, they're older than me. So it's like, I guess it's like a trickle effect. Nonetheless, it's her 21st birthday tomorrow, so she's having a little game night at her house tonight. But her house is in Baltimore. After dinner, I have to go all the way to Baltimore so I can go celebrate with her. And then that is the end of my day for today. But that sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Like, I have a question for y'all. I need help. Well, not really I need help, but I just want to know, how do y'all manage like doing so much in one day? If you're a busy person like me and you like to compile everything into one day, how do you manage it? Because for me, I just throw it all together. I need a calendar to look at so I can see the like each time. But yeah, y'all, I'm just rambling right now. I'm yapping. So like I said, we're about to go to the gym. I have been consistent. I have been in the gym twice a week. I did miss last week, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I did miss last week. That was because there was a lot going on between school and work. So I did miss last week, but we are starting a new week. We're fresh and we are going to the gym twice a week. And I've been doing pretty good with that. We are almost at our target goal. My weight right now is like 139. I want to get to 135, so it's not that hard. Just gotta keep consistently working out, obviously. But yeah, I will see you guys at the gym. Hey guys. Ooh, today has been so busy. Like, obviously I left off when I was in the gym, and that is because once I got home, y'all, I was on a time crunch. I had to take 2 quizzes. I needed to eat something really quickly. I needed to shower. Obviously I am dressed and ready to leave. It is 4:11 and our reservation's at 5:30, but I have to go to Yo-Yo's house to meet her. So I had a lot to do, and like I told y'all, I had to film my get dressed with me and Yap, and that was a lot. And like, y'all, I'm stressed, and I still got stuff to do. Okay, and she just texted me. Now I gotta call my Uber so I can go to meet her. So I will see y'all at dinner, because that's when I'm gonna have my life situated. Hey guys, so we just finished eating dinner. Say hi. But y'all, we just finished eating dinner and we realized, well, not we, I realized that I may or may not have picked the wrong restaurant, and that is why I did not eat as much as Yo-Yo had the opportunity to eat, because I did not like their restaurant menu.
But it was amazing. 10 out of 10. She has a baby ass palate, like little ass kid. She like chicken nuggets and shit.
I do like chicken nuggets.
Good for her.
Why are you judging me?
I thought it was bomb. Amen. And I shall go again.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I probably would definitely come here again and try it when it's not restaurant week and they have a set menu just to see what else they have. But my sushi roll was pretty good, y'all. I'm not saying that it was a bad restaurant. I'm just saying I wasn't prepared for the options that they had. But nonetheless, my Uber is a minute away. Yours is a minute away?
Mine's 3.
3?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Well, they gonna wait. Aren't they gonna wait, y'all? They gonna wait for this Uber. But yeah, I'm see how when I get home. If I decide to talk to y'all, I'm a little tired.
What will you do? You just